Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can pin and unpin items from your taskbar. This is the bar at the bottom where all of your app icons live. The reason you might want to do this is so that you have more frequently used apps readily accessible, or if you have apps that you don't use a lot that are located here, to get rid of them and declutter your taskbar. So to pin an app is pretty simple. The first thing you're going to do is open your app. So I'm going to go to my start menu and I want to pin. I have a to-do list app that I really like to use called Todoist, and I like to open that up all the time. So I'm just going to open up Todoist, and you'll see I have it here at the bottom. What I'm going to do is right click, and then I'm going to click Pin to Taskbar. Now, if I close my Todoist app, you'll see that the icon actually stays here even though it's not open. If I want, I can click and drag and move this around to organize as well. But now it's there ready for me to open at any time, and I don't have to go through my start menu. Unpinning is exactly the opposite process. So for example, I don't use Firefox very often, so I'm just going to right click on my Firefox icon. The app does not have to be open to do this, and click Unpin, and it's going to go away. It's still on my computer. I can still access it from the start menu if I want. We'll see I have Firefox right here, but it's not pinned. Okay, pretty simple to do. Right, I hope this helps you a little bit with your productivity on your device. Windows is pretty powerful with some of these little tricks that it has to speed up our workflows. So thanks for your time.